One of the biggest conveniences of VA.gov is being able to refill many of your prescriptions without picking up the phone. If you're enrolled in VA healthcare and receive eligible prescriptions through the VA, you can often request refills online in just a few minutes. Start by signing in to VA.gov using your login.gov or ID.me account. Once you're signed in, go to the health section and select medications. You'll see your active VA prescriptions in one place. For medications that are eligible for refills, you'll have the option to request a refill directly from the website. Simply select the prescription you want to refill and follow the prompts. After your request is submitted, you can usually track its status through VA.gov. This allows you to see whether your refill request has been received and when it's being processed. Keep in mind that not every prescription can be refilled online. Some medications require your VA healthcare provider to issue a new prescription instead of a refill. If you don't see a refill option for a medication or you have questions about it, contact your VA pharmacy or your healthcare team for assistance. It's also a good idea to request refills before you run out of medication. Giving the VA enough time to process and mail your prescription can help prevent interruptions in your treatment. Using VA.gov to manage your prescriptions can save time and make it easier to stay on top of your medications. In the next video, I'll show you how to send secure messages to your VA care team using VA.gov. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing for more practical veterans resources. I'll see you in the next video. The uniform was temporary. The honor is forever.